Hi everyone, welcome back to another Daytona office hours. I'm going to show you what we worked on over the past week and what's coming up. Let's start up with the major release of our computer use. It's still in not entirely stable, but we have our default image that you can use to spin up a Sandbox and then start VNC. So let's try it now, and let's find this Sandbox in our dashboard. That's this one. Okay, now we have to wait for VNC to start. And after that, we'll be able to access our desktop UI, where we can do any sort of activities, same as on our local computer, browse internet, for example, on books and similar stuff. Okay, if currently we don't have a fully written docs for that, but we are working on that, and you can start using computer use by just starting Sandbox without any snapshot or image definition, or you can define image with our default image, and then upgrade it with some commands through our declarative image builder. Other features that we worked on were primarily fixes. So we fixed setting up restoring state of Sandbox as early as possible. Fixed some little bugs about auto stop and auto archive interval. Also, we had a bug where during choosing process of runner for a specific snapshot, we would choose sometimes a runner that had a snapshot in error state, but we fixed that with this PR. Also, we had again some fixes for our proxy. Also, as we introduced our auto archive feature, we had increased amount of archiving sandboxes, and we had to increase our archiving timeout because a bunch of sandboxes would end up in queue, and then their timeout would expire. Another feature that we introduced was propagating snapshots to 30% of runners by default, and we are working on a feature that will make some more complex and more reliable algorithm for snapshot propagation, but we decided that this is not for now a valuable solution. We fixed some dependency issues with Tailwind CSS, and we improved our usage chart ordering. So, for example, if you go to billing tab and then you pick some point in time, you'll now see this little legend with separate spending values for each component. And also we fixed some bug for local deployment, because when Daytona is deployed locally, it is run by with only one runner, and we had a bug that wouldn't properly propagate snapshots if there is less than 3 runners. About open PRs, our colleague Nicola made some cookbook examples for using Daytona with Expo framework. Also, we are preparing one feature that is concerning a cleanup of images from our internal registry. So we added some endpoints and a couple of docs fixes, and also we have one PR for Japanese docs. We might release that also, we'll see. And some dependency fixes, one more proxy fix, and I hope this is among the last ones. And one bigger PR regarding how we are deducing a WORKDIR for our sandboxes. So currently default current working directory for each sandbox is user's home directory of that sandbox. But starting from this PR, we'll use WORKDIR from Dockerfile if it is defined, and if it is not, we'll default to user home directory. And for issues that came this week, there are only 4 of them, where one of them is this WORKDIR improvement, and others are concerning our little instability with internal container registry that will be probably resolved with our cleanup strategy, and concerning improvements about our REST API docs. We have to make it up to date and improve it. And I think that's all for this week. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask now, or you can ping me and other team members on Slack. And see you next week. Thank you.